What's up guys, here, welcome back to another video. And in today's video guys, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, you guys already know exactly what's going to be going on. Today we are going to be working on the Delsol. Now as you guys know, if you guys have watched the videos way back, I have two new front fenders for the Delsol. Now that I don't need these fenders anymore, I can just go ahead and throw on those new ones. I know I said I wouldn't, but there is one thing, and I mean there is only one thing about these fenders and the new fenders that are different, and it's kind of bugging me, but I'm gonna show you guys. But first things first, let's just go ahead and take these guys out. Alright guys, so let's check out this fender. Now I'm pretty sure you guys can already tell what the difference is, but right here you can see this one has a side marker and this one doesn't. Now if I'm pretty sure that the US whatever North America models came with this fender, which is the one without the side marker on it, and I think, you know, the overseas and Japan came with these side marker fenders, I think. Don't quote me on that. So one thing I was thinking about doing is you pretty much see how, of course, it doesn't have it here, and of course that one has it here. So I'm thinking if I do take this fender off, I could somehow measure it to where the side marker is, and then once it goes to the body shop to get painted or whatever, I'll just have them cut and trim here or wherever it is, and that way I can just put back in those side markers, because I kind of do want to keep the side marker look. I just prefer it, but it's not a big deal, but I do prefer the little side marker there. But I don't know, no longer need these fenders anymore. They are done. They are bondoed to hell, as you can see. These ones OEM, these all Bondo. Now I'm pretty sure just to take this fender off, it's just a couple bolts. We got, of course, one here, one here, one there, and then I'm pretty sure under here we got to take out this screw and this screw. We might not have to take that one out, but I'm not too sure. And then of course we'll open up the car. There should be one guy, you guys can't see it, but there's like one right here. Alright, one out. Now it's just for that passenger side. There's number two. All right guys, and finally we got the passenger side out. Look at all the, like, not even rust, but just the extra debris that's been all up inside this fender well and all that type of stuff that's been going on. Even on that side has like a whole bunch over there. Comparing these old ones to the more newer clean OEM look, oh man, it's gonna look so much better on this car. Now keep in mind, it isn't perfect. Like I said, it still has, like, you know, a little like dents, you know, right there, you know, maybe a little slight scratches right there. Has a little bit of like little surface rust there, but it's nothing crazy for the body shop to handle. Looks like I don't even have to run these, so I could probably just cut off these wires because this new fender doesn't even have the thing anyway. Guys, just give me a couple minutes just to clean out all this like gunk and all this stuff out of the car, because it really bothers me. So I'm just gonna go ahead, you know, sweep this all out, and then I'll get back to the camera once I'm done. All right guys, so quick update. We went ahead and cleaned up the area cleaned out under, you know, the side skirt down there too. Just cleaned it all off. Other side too, went over here, cleaned it all off also. So now it looks way better than how it was before. Now we can go ahead and test fit these fenders. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Check this out. I didn't like fully bolt it down. I just, you know, test fitting it on there. Like I don't have any other bolts in, but that one I put one right down there. Look at that. Ooh, a new fender. Let's go. Oh my gosh. If only we had like a new or like a more updated bumper, then it would really look better. But look at this. It just looks way better. It looks so much better like this. Let's just try taking this bumper off. It's just in the way. Check it out. Look at that, boys. How do you guys think it's gonna turn out once it's all painted and just everything? Oh my gosh, I'm getting so pumped. Like the drive, the passion is coming back, guys. I mean, it's always been there, but it just gets me so fired up just doing something small like a fender or a hood or just doing anything on this car. Once you guys do see the color reveal for this car, oh my goodness, it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna make you guys see the vision that I have for this car. It's gonna be so good, so mint, so clean, but of course, just wait in time. There's nothing better than looking at your project, seeing it going according to plan, and just seeing everything just come together, and slowly your vision is starting to form. Don't need those fenders anymore, so those can go. I do not need them. I want them out of here. They can get away. However, I'm still looking for a bumper. I mean, if I have to, I'll use this one, but if I can find a better and more cleaner one, then I will, because this one is like, it's really like really bad, so bad. But I know they can fix it, but I mean, I would rather start with like a nice clean one. Stay tuned, guys, because the revival of Stella is coming, and it's closer than we can ever imagine, which I can't believe I'm saying that, but it literally is just around the corner. On that note, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Dose of J. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.